Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umugusi.
Karibu sana mwancho mwili wa maragobonde tokumera na ase entunda ende ya kabire asensemo bono yenkwana ya bene tukuchukwana monere engineer Ila Nyanga uyo kirime studio na ndege tekare sana tukuchukwana mangana mangije siasa neganga yaye yokurie kirukiria ha kiensemo yebunge ya Nyaribari Masaba ense county ya Kisii kirukire bona gikaransire nere Daniel Manduku na nyinigo niko tukuchukwana mange. Karibu sana engineer.
Mbia mono sana.
Nidomo kokora wa ikiri gaiga.
Nabo
ntinda anya sana ne bakugutambulisha na bakuiria kamera ya ugaria utambulishe kabisa.
Njia sama lieta yangoro ku engineer Hilary Nyanga. Yanso mete paka level ya masters. Ngolete BSc Civil Engineering, University of Nairobi. MSc Project Management, Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology. I got a comprehensive course in application of construction technology in Japan, and many other courses, including 45 number courses as a Kenya School of Government. Na jagito and orekere Kenya government training institute pakega chenjia kwa Kenya School of Government aliloa kabete na college course wetani 45 short courses which are aimed at improving efficiency in handling work and human resources. Yeah.
Mbia mono chikosi chiwa 45 ichi nyingi sana kwa rokia kwa kuchidalili chobora yesemi yake mengi na ane hasa matukabangi kwara ete hiake buna umachia person kiateka committee sobora yiwari ngoro wasio kuna bora wakote bakana ko butangani bura buruchinde chionsi ase ekembekiri ye engineers labda ngakikuwa karote ninga kimwene gatimba kamugacha wikirana na gochora barai.
Institution of Engineers of Kenya, the Institution of Engineers of Kenya, batu warobo koragori owetana nilioma nali nyingi sana uchakere umutienyi okane mwakoyo ase yawe na tutwaro burai wogo chenjia oburai koru one council to the next ono bagatwaro kumana okonge sana bakaira na kotini. Aba engineer bali bonse pi bali 24,500 bakaikaransa ina ase special general meeting alia sagru kwa United Kenya Club na anda abande balenga online unanimously bagatewa rangiri engineer Nyanga abe chairman anavigate ya manganaya yeburaburu egendrete atubangiro burayi yoburonge oroba toereru tonyora new council na ingerende aso koboya soyo mo bona na araire kurende ekiombekyo before na baraite buna chairman ya functions in the early years of 2000 ngayana ngaba treasurer ekelende treasurer injira agulite nyumba ndangani yaba engineer Riara Road. Tukagule nyumba muna ejikopa office na inde after a short while tuka plan again tukagura office block eyere top plaza tukate floor ingima so bagandebya tutege tutangane nenjirende nganjirana muno muntu tayite korore ekiyama kyaba engineer nge basokubagana kila gosoro rubune ontune ngaena ngatenenera kurumei ngabeka abantu baliye komiti yana na etwe tukaikaranza tukagamba tukarana kitoko kogendalia mangana yaba engineer tali gaiga Kenya kale ntubwate paka Washington Accord as to go associate paka Africa aba engineer ba Africa bonsipi chama ya itongo associated ne bwate roles yego play. So I've been handling all those things kurumei paka mna naba ngeto burai paka chorana tariki 19 toka swearing in is the first one mbanya ko swearing in council nje na decided that ya to swear abantu into office bali ekiama bali eira mbaji kwa lende buruburu na inde asita buyenereti so ngakoraki babeka ime bono twakorere part handing over ujie new council egara bachage egasi aba engineer Kenya mabwate role ba players among na development chi institution injire asito gutwara direct nomination aba engineer ba ko mu engineer uko ba board member maybe in second mention a few oyana the roads authorities kera kura Kena nkutwara the road nominee ya kurwa the institution of engineers of Kenya Roads Board National Construction Authority ina chagete nje na chagete in Kenya gara na beta appointed na the late president Mwai Kibaki imbe secretary ya inquiry agara mugaka the late Simon Nyachaya alingi minister ya public works ngachoru gali akere nyumba ya Nyamakima building ya collapsed ngachorwa ntenenere na kitura rosie regulation regulate construction industry in Kenya ngaikaranza ngarosia n'abantu twanachore twa lecturers bande be university and other senior engineers so as obviously ana bugata alia Hill Plaza ngaikaranza ngarosia a document ekara ya approved the cabinet ngate one of those regulations meaning the act yokorosi NCA ngarosi NCA the act tukakora na Nyachae paka 207 that was 206 ekara na joleto 207 tukaswaji kurejea chiense chia Kenya mwaka Nyachae akagua na Dr. Monda ekara abugua ekara ko hand over to Michuki akamotebie assignment nena edune president na nyidigerenjera but the officer I was working with no aligaiga he handed me over as a Michuki. We worked with Michuki paka twarosi act after reviewing the cabinet memorandum ikaba approved na cabinet ikanapaka parliament the act was put in place tukajaga wano korosia para state wa National Construction Authority ina roseti ngaenda paka World Bank nga negotiate for a grant bakange grant yoko warajigali na office equipment nga set up offices in the 41 districts former districts chia Kenya before tutara so devolution to what 41 districts so jigali jiringa ura 13 vehicles chia lenga among them 3 Prados for the senior managers nga second senior managers from various ministries nga balenda NCA nga sign their letters tukaikaranza naliomo shimiwo burajire una minister for public works tukaikaranza tukajore body entangani I was guiding of course under the policy direction ya a minister tukajore body entangani tukakora akala tuakora bakati one they want to put a substantive MD or executive director because I acted as executive director 2010 paka 2011 for 1 year nalio mheshimiwa Manduku ajete akachorwa ngaba I handed over to him so I formed National Construction Authority and I always say nje naligete Manduku wa serikali because he was in private.
The sitting MP.
The sitting MP ajali wali basaba.
You are against Neresen tunende yako.
I'm not against. Yeah. We just want to ask there. Aba na inchi bachoro burayi buronge.
The community burayi buronge according to you.
Currently buronge.
Yeah. Chiro kukwandra amange ngiyogara butali buronge. Korende toko license me ya AK. Nimbwate elibolio. For the first time ukarenga mwaka bachori electric.
Electronic voting system. Chitabu any complaints tukakora tukatwara election dispute board tonye jole dega nyete with the recent dispute nobody came up with one. Tukakora audit of the electronic voting system. We did an audit of it. Tukakora tukanyora mbuya chikura chakorete chiagetu. Tukabolia aba members, are you satisfied? They are satisfied. But we shake hands. Yeah, there is no complaint at all.
So kwa mangana kwenda koti chikoti kina koti there is no
hakuna.
How was the experience electronic voting system?
It's very nice when handled well. When you don't have bias or biased interests, that is the best system, because it is just you get the voters spending less than even a minute in voting, and the results are transmitted to the center. Yeah.
Ni
command center.
Barenga no bocheru butangania se byombe ntubate byonge buna LSK nkora bocheru wabo bako bamanyo kurende se kino kora ke restep en sana mtushi kugenda sama kama tunayo anyway totaracho ko swasa mangana siasa na nyari bali masawa mheshimiwa Irari kwabire national construction authority kwa nyachageti kwabire se kyombe ke mpaka bone bado nore in your lifetime ngabo una mokalibu no mo engineer anene kwa Sumthi University of Nairobi abana mbali bakurukuru University of Nairobi, Kenyatta University, Kisii University bakara mangana engineering. Have you tried to observe them anene maybe kwa ngorora nyani bani masaba gusoma ara kurigesa ukyomo gusi watembere ko observe into the system na ko bakonya mangana internship ayo ari mechande sense ya Kenya na making sure Kenya na bare some internship in various ministries in Kenya.
Abuna bandora akonyire sana kerena arenge ekerowe ministry as chief engineer structural. Lakini ginda gotebia I grew in the system kerena soete serikali njina soete serikali kuri university ngalikwa a ministry nga grow in the system kuru assistant engineer paka na go the chief engineer structural of the Republic of Kenya. Internships abana abange muno na thousands. I've also I've mentored so many of them as a engineering. Among the few I can tell you I've mentored, nima ya mbata kiteguli mbata kiko kumayana kurugusingo nimbuato mudogona Dr. Sungura, whom I mentored in the ministry. Nkamuligere scholarship, is working in German as a risk manager. A train bagwaja bullet train for Austria to German.
Bullet train.
Sungura bullet train. There is another doctor on the Eliakim from Kitutu Chache. Now at a scholarship in China, is now a lecturer at the University of Kenya, Kenyatta University. Abavande is koiga abange sana. I cannot even count. Abande baba achire baka insiko. Now, apart from that one, na the next school ya Moi Gesusu, when I chairman, the performance was very, very low. I can a chairman, 2008. In Kalenda, kwa motivational prizes as a science. In Kalenda, kwa wana wa science, the best performing science student, to some token of a prize to wajaka like that. Abana wono, we moved in the performance of science, but wagarokia matokea mayasana. Baachira bandu baso wa America, bagora engineering, paka UK. Bago ngagira jismi bante ina mbuya mono for your guiding leadership. Kuruwase skuru ya Moi Gesusu. Ngarusie performance ya lenge 4 paka 9 point. Again do it or 9.8. Yeah. Again do it 2020. Yeah. Yeah, Moi Gesusu. A population raised from about 300 students paka 2,600 students. Abunga gajiri the geometry labs, the science labs, administration block Kenya, ebinte binge sana, and many other infrastructure.
Miyamono kabisa. Togo cha ase nseme ngao. Mwache mugete wente gukwana anere engineer Hilary Nyanga huyu obegetega yayo soko liye kirogo okio obuchumbe nsemo yubunginya nyanyabanyari bali masabe gutoka me county area aya Kisii na borete mwaka wa 2022 wetere tigiti area aye kiama gya kanu kuri nende boneka nko ana ngo chaka gotei kiama kiare ni gya kanu gose kiama kya uchikobona karokio asentundeye ya kabere hagate makara gose na nyare ko baga kubonge kirogo kibusyo bochoryo bwene mwaka wa 2022 na boturikira en message wetere se mutandao yetu ya Facebook Ensoko TV digital gose YouTube igotre live ayiga bogwa kesimi ese nambere sesiki mwancho mwire aya masemo oboli hamaswali daktari Hilary Nyanga onye kobwate libolyo aneli rigete ensemo yebunge nyari bari masaba daktari indi waswete siasa indi eganga yoyo goswa siasa yachite
siasa ya academic ekerendi university nje na format Engineering Students Association in 1981 University of Nairobi. I started Engineering Students Association, ESA. Ngamanya gocha, garanali kwe ministry, nga soa siasa ya cooperatives. I've risen up to the national treasurer ya Ufundi Cooperative. Ufundi Cooperative. Bandu wali bagetuwe bomu alia, next to the American Embassy, next to Cooperative House. Nje nalinge treasurer kere bomu ya getu. Kere bomu ya getu, I was actually, I missed by a whisker. Because I was rushing there to go and sign members' checks. Lakini bomu ya when I was on my way. Na ono muswatu agambete kama secretary ya manager, nje nga nyoro kule. Because on phone namo te dia bege file a boardroom njikorora kwende njiko sign abantu mnyoke for a site meeting in Atriva, lakini it never occurred. Bono I worked very hard. I negotiated with the Americans after the bomb blast. Ngatwara meeting over 100 as a Parklands temporary office in American Embassy with the different people, because our records were destroyed completely during the bomb blast. So I was trying to reconstruct the records with a few things I had in my head. And I was able to convince them. They bought a new building for Ufundi Cooperative on the street, Moi Avenue. Moi Avenue Street. It's just next to Koja Mosque here. Yeah, so I left that one. When Madeleine Albright came to Kenya in 1998, I was among the 3 people who were given chance to talk to the Secretary of State of America. It was MD Erastus Moridi of Cooperative Bank, Mr. Shah of Pioneer House, which was also affected, and the treasurer of Ufundi, Engineer Hilary Nyanga. And I was given time, first 1 minute, and then they added me another 2 minutes to talk to her, because I explained our case, and she even invited me to address the Congress in America. By that time, I was junior. My PS said, this is a junior person, he cannot go to America to go and represent.
Higo siasa ichaga soete kare sana. Nentuna yakabiri kubolia obo chumbe asense mwunge nyande bali masaba.
Na boli 2022. This is the second time.
2022 gaswa sekirukia buchumbe bwanya diwari masaba karenga ni kiama gya kanu
Azimio
karenga ugakora libaga lya gatano.
Na wabegete igo. There was a lot of irregularities.
How?
Ngwa roje hendo gelingia giete petition in Kisii. Gelingia a petition, it was not handled properly. Again, during the petition, there were ballot boxes missing, which were identified from a polling station, which is hardly 200 meters away from the center, the polling center at Moige Susu. Tallying center was. So we were wondering, how can those ballot boxes get lost? Between a distance of less than 200 meters. You can even carry it by your head. And those were some of my stronghold. A lot of things were done, although now that's what under the bridge. So there was a lot of irregularities, including violence. By the way, violence, my vehicles and my people were beaten thoroughly a day before the election. Yeah.
That night.
That night, and then they were beaten next to the police station in Masimba.
So engineer so wenge to na getune chikura chiri gwinye chimenye ne na meronge tane bere kwa na 4478 I think. That was like 10.3%. You are not satisfied with them back today.
I will never be satisfied because I know what happened. And even all the other people know. Yeah.
You follow the right procedure kunende kina.
But yet, me, I didn't want to go for a query and a petition. But my colleagues, but yet, a petition. Yeah.
Chikura chibo chori mwako chimuronge bere nitane bere mbosi chire nende kwa bikere ganga yao asimitandao ya online kurandore ground kuyuriro bochumbo kurende kwarekanire ngakora wa munyoro nkoro chwa munyoro personally na mureweke magia DCP na net poster chiao niko chikoro kirangi ya Jubilee anene insiasa kiyogo chesa chikadi nchiro chesa yagati
United opposition. We are in the united opposition. Wamunyoro, Jubilee, those are all in the united opposition.
But united opposition, kilo mondonari united opposition ya sema yae. Gashona united opposition na DCP. Matiana united opposition na bara ibara kwa libro niyo chumbe ba united opposition lakini bare asense mogete. Tubate DCP, tubate Jubilee, tubate yama buna Wiper Democratic Front. Ingayura ibono. Wamunyoro Jubilee no wati chibicha chao chio vegete chianga cha Jubilee na funkorra kanole kwa rekene wa munyoro anene bado igorengete gose mucheso kyo yogochesa mucheso
yingochesa I'm trying to play my politics within the united opposition tali mucheso ngochesa because when you go back home, don't want a presidential candidate, Matiang'i. So we will campaign for him.
So you're coming in for Matiang'i?
Yeah.
You are Kanu,
I will decide. It is a party within the united opposition. Yeah.
Kanu united opposition?
Kanu, I don't think it has not even shown where it is currently. Yeah.
So basically you are in united opposition but to declare interest the party you are going to vie with. United opposition ya bele kigotwara amangana mange anene chikampeni chenu cha bele kwa chigo turubani bwa kermo kwende chikampeni kwa chikampeni choga ndete mayani nyari bali masaba kwa bele in any way kwa bele assaulted na the goons abangu autumko matoka bango iga. How do you carry your campaigns personally?
Yango debi nje na lenge casualty ntangani 2022 abantu bane baitetwe sana. I told you the day before elections egali ane gatu sana and I have not repaired it pakabaona iganyitiete egali ane atetu ye itetu na abantu bagwata makombe and one of the people baitete egali ane nere constituency manager because yekina nabe gite Masimba gekagenda igende ngere paka Kisumu. Yeah. Bagaita gari, bagaita my driver, bagaita my brother. They are hurt to them.
Next campaign is chaboniga,
it's chiabono, njetinda cha campaign. Yeah, I'm just talking to people.
Toraga underground.
The ground I'm there. I don't have to go for the other campaigns which people are talking about. Njengo kwa nande na bantu. Yeah.
Yes, chaboniga, toraba koba attacked because tora chaka campaign.
Go njetinda agenda mangana campaign outright. Yeah.
Tego batka nchi campaign icho yokulie kero bere bwense ko bangu rwabusi tego toke chi campaign icho.
Asengo toka na matanga, asengo yana go console families. Yeah.
Nakira kwanire enganengere ntakweta libere emergency ya Kenya. Ane si abasai bagutumika obe guturwa n'imituru emisange kone siasa tukarra chinsemo cyana kuru mukonyi bumara yoro kwera mukoyi bumere bwense wiki ya DCP higa yako gako mochega tia babunge wense meyo tukarra linda mwananchi chinsemo cha Homa Bay habari abakaba bako mochuma isamale nakira kwane the rise of
ndonda aba abamuraba usabana abagutumika se kolenta oko umisasa abantu ase babwate ideas really different kurwase bale batiyamangana because abantu mwanya abantu babera bangaini sana no barwani naki nyore ba decide na ngai ba jikobeke kura na ba jikobeka igo tutige amangana yoko umisana through ba goroka guni siman gangsters egera tokole siasa yo molembe siasa yoko iwanana siasa yoko ruwa mangana asomunwa tali gutumia chingundi osemete ya makombe tutiga mangana ikabisa na ida bantu baragera mangana yatiwe na barai ya abarai na no bako instigate yekwerende abarai batekane batagetigo korora gise yegabireyo they will stop that particular day.
Engineer, personally ngakyo campaign ngakyo gutumika chikambeni chao ngakyo kata chikambeni chao kero kwenda SMS ankone matange misange kana yo kwana naba na inchi mibya sichiro gutumika ko mukira basa indero kana ko batumo baromo ne bwabantu
ngedini ko basa igeta tini ko imukia lakini abantu banyanyete ya nje bagondo kanyankoronda bo
tego muke bantu inde bachiko kwani waterere tali yao
no tinda imukia so far yeah but nimbo ya abantu on the ground we ngokwana na barabo bakwana na abantu we garante gituko gamba na abantu bange chikura injira yane nere ngogamba na barabo injira yane
aya mbuya amono mwanchi mwega cha butko jideka hemeronge 5 ni tato igoro chinsa so chabona botuko kwana to kwana nere engineer Hira Nyanga oyo begitega ngaya ya sentone ya kabire kuriye kero kiryo bochumba sensemo ya Nyaribari Masabe gotoka ese county ya Kisii iyo ikaboniga he bunge kura wa mune Daniel Manduko yo kabire omwemdi o Kenya Ports Authority engineer ebintu ne binge obegete ese manifesto chao na tekuriria agriculture farming education hamangana water na yebuno mu engineer hamangana yechibara timeti the whatever ngamagenda tragenda Nyaribari Masaba tocha kirangoro nukuru mbianse mo ya farming Nyaribari Masaba nigemenye kinesane sekemedi giechai amo ikagwake timeti ngikira kwanere igoro what did you have to improve nkyodo tochokrinde kwene kinga nkonyaro ko bakogotire birengo byo omomoro muri mwe kemedi giechai nabego intobate factory ya kemo kama nkanyangano herese nsemo yebunge yawo ngati kiri kimurekere mono na umurimi obereko ba gakorera kananga tai konyara engeri eringi ya sana tokorera sekira siskuizi akumusa no koroga tia baremi abatene bari bechi tundu bari batene bechi factory gete naboigo inki no bekete kende yonse kwene kinga omurimi ngochara ko kagoseka omweri bori tuko asebunge yawo onya bawo chigochora no muchumba bwense yamo yawo
diangwana iga abalemi babwene bakonyu sana bali bakolema ebimeri yawo no butugi bw'ekyombe batagete oburayi boko beka ko ba advice nagibo nto gukora egere no namaguri yakoreki agende igoro gubwati bale gikwere instruction giritake ira sobolemi egere cha the quality ebe ya igoro iri yakabere kipara njire chingia egere cha ete konyorwa si buying centers because ye cha egere konyorwa buying centers the quality yako koraki yako enda inse aso buye cha yako koraki ko reduce uga enda inse igo wikatuligereria mangana ya access ye jipara jikurusie chae kurwa buying centers bage factory are they being done on time egere nadiri goliye chae akoreki yagende igoro abayiboliye ngoba bali consulted none kere ubuyo bokogoro because mbabugate their own organizations bali ngolenta ebintu ebyo nagitura akole tutebi na abaremi bechae bali ku some level of independence egere ba determine na gichae jo koreki ejo kina the quality na even asobonge ase kwerende egere factory yarani at optimum level.
Is that in your manifesto?
It is in my manifesto. Apart from that one ya sogolemi na akole binde binge no intali parliament ogende kiamu kama the fresh produce market ya ere egujugo cha kabono iga echi arengi sano Kenya when I was coordinating construction as the chief engineer structural garwane ya meka ndakiamu kama nero ya ere bono iga aya asobole mibonde tutagete ukuligira mangana value addition ya avocados, bananas none chingeni egera balimi bali bakwenda kulima ebintu ebyo banyora good prices for their produce. Their sweat feels like it's compensated. Ebine bintu tubwena tokora asabarai. We also need to look at market, to live a market as leaders. Balimi bawo kuli market banyara like outside the country. But abarai now bakuli market. Because there are so many people who consume amangana avocado, bananas. Mbura kwara una muranga baligeri abantu babo market amangana avocado. They are doing very well. And even mangoes in Europe. Lakini abantu baitu kwa yure bakora gento gekabire our leaders.
Timeti osne biro chiko parliament ose how do you feel that abari baitu
market
chief card ntu ngo nitore kurende kwanyara chia centre chiko enda ngumbu echia gusi chiko cha muduro.
Well, market it's not even a bill in parliament. It is self-sacrifice and commitment as a leader. Because I go outside the country, I know where those things are eaten. I have friends outside there. I can ask them, we want to assist our farmers. We want to get a market here. And we can surely get that market. Yeah, outside with the good prices. Yeah.
Amangana ye kengeri amangana bonus ya bari mbecha bekemeri ye cha go vary from central to maybe to Nyanza and another one go Ruabusi. Timeti no what any plan you go connecting maybe there's something, maybe even there is a bill in parliament you're connecting all farmers, they get the same bonuses no matter where they come from, because they are supposed to get the same bonuses, but also we must have quality, good quality tea, because the quality will determine the pricing. We must encourage our farmers as leaders. This is the process and procedure of growing a quality tea. Nagimoko tuale emeli viraji go tuala magoli ose kwende elia esumuilia tagira se chai level gete eke, so that it compares with the other areas. Yeah. But as I told you, mostly ain't really sana say buying centers because of infrastructure. Yeah, it is not there. You want infrastructure.
Infrastructure, the roads. Yeah.
Maybe kunyurwe cha yango punguza the quality of the tea.
Yes. Ngo punguza it does. Mbona tagere ko rusi gali ya iruwe factory itaraji go jaga go susana kana ko rusi ekweren. Ko rusi it is quality. Yeah.
Omugusi no muntu manyikene sana asamangani yo bonjero limense ya Kenya kwenye warasale egarangete amangana yibyasara wikatu warasaga yako kare byasara chichiyo na kiregento yani bari masaba timeti wose nchira modern marketing korenga masimbere iko chikoyara gose ya ere timeti
masimba
ya ere go chikemuke tirande traders timeti wose no rengeretinga population yere nyari bari masaba nene sana no rengereti kende yonsi ana neje go chikonekinga abonchiro lya kurense mu ibunge yao ko bari na good condition apart from one market yere masimba modern market kera karoka iko bakona liye parents karoka nyanya masaba
no nyane market no ina ese kubekwa do we have accessibility ndo wajipara chingia amatobe do bugade gure ndasa amatobe uzinero ziribia. So we must have arongi kabisa se market ya koraki ego jugo obo njolere bwa abalemi n'abantu abanyabiyasara boli na conducive environment egere biyasara biyabona libira koleke biragenda igoro tutuale electricity isaine no wet electricity isaine omaide one market yeye ebintu mbire bigo kikotigara overnight nyole electricity ndobwati isaine ebintu ebingo bikokoraki kogunda, because we don't have a good supply of electricity and sustainable, reliable.
Wate banga emiradi nero tranchana no mubungo rawisi Daniel Manduku ntimete karabonika emiradi kiyo yugwa kone structure sana kwa kone chibara sana nke kiro cheke tarakorekana aziu ugochi waso no mubungo waso bago chabuno mubungo raisa gokora
ndiye tangani electricity connectivity. It is very very poor at the moment. There are a lot of household, villages, communities batabuga the electricity. Abana no ba school bagotumia elantern bakabono.
Nyali bali masaba.
but abugati electricity. A lot of villages, I've done my own survey, nimbuate data everywhere. Every village has a kurende estima miseti pataranyora. Yeah, umanye kogenda chipara. Para nchiyo. Nonya nichito za nantubanyete para yelami. There is what we call routine maintenance. When to okorwa nichibesa bakwa every year. It has not been done. Asinyali bali masaba. Oya ni bara ya Ramasha, Suguta, ekoenda baka Ikorongo. It is in very poor state. No gari njirwe no chipiki bakumia. Kogendi gao. And for the last 4 years in Jana okorwa any improvement. Yeah. Ne pare rembe sana. Omanye kogenda dia pare kurwa junction waenda Geteri. It's not possible at the moment. Iye kubwata baka Mansai. It is in a very poor state. So the kumina chibe sanjire jikurwe wororo because we know money is given by Kera. Chiwene to korosi pale. Where has it been going?
Watemere kubwatira yomete bali mukoboli chikura nini munge chi oversight chi mubunge watemere kubwatira watemere kwa have consultations maybe kotebe bari ne titekera nititelibuya
tuwa mutigete aragambe miyake agambe tabazo batana tuwa mochokosere na amanyete odebinde bimbiroro na amanyete he knows what he needs to do ode na amanyete na abantu mubwenete accessibility yokogenda the various places nijibese jingurwe guchire. Yeah. So omujumbe na amanyete. We don't have to remind him.
What achiba sankure guchire chiagendarali. What do you feel?
Ne ruraje ototebya. Yeah. Naje whatever.
Inoshodo that asna chigo chichis na chigo stirira chigo koramere mo gose.
Yes. I don't think it's working because nyo jibe jigorwe wa nijipara they are not possible. Ogende nyamba sibi is not possible. Ogende hotel yabuga pakarogoro. It's not possible. Yeah.
Manchimwelia tugante ukwana.
Nonya ne yeganyete lami ya Keroga ibacho. It is in poor state. Ebugende ko twara routine maintenance y'abantu baita. Eganyete lami.
Haya. Kurenga ni gote nkwana ita nkwana ya nene nkwana ya engineer Hilary Nyanga uyo kuliye kuruke uchumba nsemo ya nyirbalima saba ayakuru kwana ya Fred Kogemba teba is watching live the show ya mwana Fred Kogembo so kubatelia show agoteba Colton Otto agotebanga High Soko TV watching live from Nairobi mbu ya mwana wali wakati simi na bogo wakesimi raini ya simi ngorete nya kubatebura linda dionsi ko siasa engineer Hilary Nyanga na boku mabodi yanne siasa chirengete nsemo yibunge nyalibare masaba na bogo waka esimi raini ya na igoire na ndira bongo chikimo kesimi ya masayemo mbekaba aginko iwa inkwana ya oneleliye yobwate boseli boli ondeleliye rigochia asomu omushimiwa engineer Hilary Nyanga engineer amasomo chisemi ina chi backbone na chi nendo whatever education is the equalizer na nyarwari masaba ni bwate chi school au nyarwari masaba bwate chi school 154 schools I think as 113 ni primary schools 41 secondary schools na the last NGCDF ene backbone sana neno sogosira birasi sogosira ko birasi gusira chibasa lise ebu ensemo yebunge yao ni the allocation ya 2025 2026 niko ya yetu nkarenga chiba selenga ya yetu 192 million shillings 613 iyo like 0.34% yechi basa chance cha beta rocket ligo NGCDF in 290 constituencies ichi arenge 55 billion shillings ultimately do you feel nga basa richa iruru chiana nuruya and what is the state of the primary schools na icho kunyora chiwato mochando sana kwa secondary schools yeah
nchagre primary schools jiwate mechando sana egende getangani sanitation chicho chi abana bagutumia 90% are not there as a primary schools as age 113 oranyo ji school jiwate chicho abana jire habitable and safe abana bagutumia without a worry. Each school maybe age 13. About 100 schools require proper sanitation. Chicho the toilets, pit latrines.
You are speaking what you have seen.
I've even built one. Nganyo school yangu siekwa. 2022.
It was siekwa.
It was siekwa because there was no toilets. The public health officers. You know, when you have no toilet, ote isukuru went go sieko because you are exposing pupils to dangers, to even waterborne diseases. So it was being closed. Kerema Primary School ngaenda galia nga spend my own money ngaje cho a modern, which I said NMP coming to power should take this one as a benchmark. Agajiri school chionzi chichoe kabire endonge ya kwalero ase kabire aya umanye kogenda bono ase bursaries. Bursary nyali bali masaba nenda kwenye the lowest in Kenya. They give 3,000 shillings as a bursaries. 3,000 to very poor students, but abugati any source of income. Igolende wasomiri abana bataka so that you can equalize. You can make that education an equalizer. As a abana bonsipi. It doesn't have the most schools, nyali bali masaba. There are constituencies with more schools, that go up to 8,000 shillings. So the minimum I'd expect, what I'll do myself, is 8,000 shillings for secondary school students.
Koro 3,000 shillings echikwa ndonega.
For on 3,000 you bagoro.
But in the location ya 192 million shillings. You went to kugenda samangana bursaries na samangana construction of classes.
Yeah. And now on classes, even they were lucky because education classrooms. The program masaba bago the NGCDF. It's not NGCDF. That was Ministry of Education program. You go on NGCDF anything in the because you couldn't promise it, they are still at stalled level. Yeah.
So personally, I want to have which corres
8,000.
3,000 shillings to 8,000 shillings.
Yeah. And it's possible.
How possible will it be? Na criteria kiyo kutumika kwa
criteria the yango tebiga in general si act ya CDF. I was a director representing the engineers of Kenya. Ababanjo waletenga jikobeke ateka. I represented them between 2010 and 2016 to Karosi Act to Kaligeria how this one will help in education. So the money which was put there, January 192, is enough to pay 8,000 shillings for the poor students and to give 100% scholarship to very poor, vulnerable students. Yeah. But all these things, for transparency and accountability, you don't choose yourself. You use public participation. Public participation, they will give you from communities. Abana baribali vulnerable. Baribali abataka kabisa. Babugena to korake kuligereliwa. Na the public participation una inche garana yango kora footbridges in Kenya between 2004 and 2013. I used public participation for project ownership in the whole Republic of Kenya. Nje na the program of pedestrian footbridges in the slum and the areas of difficult terrain. Yeah.
Nyari bari masaba ni bachi skuru buna St. Charles Lwanga Ichuni Girls amabuko nyari bari masabere amabuko secondary no chire chonse bari masaba chire mubamba cyabo ekizukati ekizukuru chinde time tinkira kiyo kutumika kwa nokinga you have improved for performance in these schools
na godebia moige susu njira na nyerende paka the level it is moige susu high school mpaka baono isa it became a school of excellence and a STEM school, science, technology, mathematics. Okay? My manifesto, I was talking and I told the people, muna moko mbeko bogambiga, yango beke school of excellence of every ward. I've already identified.
Every ward?
Every ward a school of excellence.
Chiwadi
isano.
Waki achieve. Chiwadi ni isano.
Prudent management of resources. Yeah. Prudent management of resources, NGCDF. I've identified a school, Vangota Secondary School, which is very poorly in a poor state, as a school of excellence in Nyamasibi ward. I'll identify Nyangono Secondary School in Kiamukama ward. Yesusu erona ikolete
nere develop tayari
ne buate Masimba, you go to Metembe Secondary School, a school of excellence. Yeah.
Igo otebanga which konekia amasomo nkobaribya. And maybe a process yo connecting abana bachire chi university school, high school. Metinga kiwoji kunyora abana bande bakote form 4, they have these grades but they are not even able to join universities.
But we shall also give university students bursaries. Bursaries from there to assist the parents. University, we can give up to 10,000 shillings. The students going to universities to assist the poor parents. Very vulnerable.
Korenga mwancho mugireria kwa igure nkwana ya engineer hirari yote banga onye kawochi ko mu bunge bwense mu nyari masaba ninga bochi commenta ena gose ya bochi commenta chibesa chichi basi chigwana buchia sa abana kurwa chiri wisato chiri yakote abachigwana nibone gakorengana nere ne chinkenchi saini ninga bochi kuchimenta bika chiri wisano on naisato na nachikwenda kokonya 100% ya aboroki bwose bari kuru na vulnerable communities bose batari kunyara akigima engineer hirari ayenomo engineer osibo engineer civil engineer nechibara chito nchibwata chishida sana gwakona lechibara echi nga yugo chikurusi allocation yechibara sechi maybe ugo chikwaneka chibara chinkrosi buchira
within we have the money which comes for infrastructure on the roads. What I'll do, my program chipara jigo selekana mostly muna gusi because of poor drainage. I will start by providing proper drainage. As a program, it's a program I'm going to embrace. Yokoros drainage, yejipara kwanza. Then we can now move to routine maintenance. When you have good proper drainage, road deterioration takes longer than when you don't have drainage. Yeah.
So inga timu ruguru chukone kina to maybe to goska mutu gusine manyire sana samangana usige gutwara chimbura chinyinge horoba deya tro deya na mache bado kunyoranga mache gare shire kunyora skuru getete bwati mache kunyora institution getete bwati mache yani imechando inoro ni less to bwate nende bado to bwate mbure nyinge sana maybe nupoanti plans ki bwate which ko ranga ko install boreholes in big institutions like high schools like primary schools sasa nyoranga ne cyo chire chinchafu abana bakwenda rucha sata mbuchi kuya mache ngakiyo marakera mache itabwati binyero limbiya mache gara make reviving communities water schemes ambego timeti project ki bwate in terms of tapping water macha dikirembure go to tap for future storages na maybe our implants ki bwate amangana drilling institution boreholes.
Now, Njagere school na headed mo igesusu. Gana so water was a big problem. And ninga nyora na ekra wana bako enda roje. They get bad influence. Kera baju kuligia match. Bad influence from the community na bantu batali batatagereti school e correct again. So nga make sure my first priority was water provision in the school. I started by roof catchment and the storage tanks. Ngagaja underground tank, 150,000 liters.
By your own money, or say by
school money.
School money.
Saving from savings. We don't get money to the schools for those kind of programs. You just do savings in the various areas and you put there. So we did that one. Then roof catchment, borehole. By the time I left Moige Susu, I had done 3 boreholes, which were all yielding. So, so putting a borehole in a school is not a very expensive item if you are committed and ready to help the community. It is between 1.8 and 2.2 million shillings to put a borehole in a school when you have done proper geology study. Yeah.
She institution in Chile identify maybe or through such programs.
Secondary schools, all of them should get balls. All the secondary schools. Then primary schools, you start with a roof catchment, and then you look at the big primary schools first. You provide them with a ball, like that. Yeah.
How is the amangana togo tukoswasa amangana amangao ngakia mangana electricity kwanya kwanera timetra kinto nya kwanya tiko so wewe how are you going to make sure that chinkechi kwanya chide accessible to electricity mete kerostimeta yesichiro na bangira mbe kunyana kugacha bintu byabo number 2 kerostimeta yesekenyoro amangana ayoboke bako gakoba igari igoro sana ne chinga kichabo tuko timeti how will you tackle such
ekerendo mujumbe number 1 njina golde serikali for close to 37 years aba engineer abonse batenenete ebintu ebi n'abantu abande na signeri for registration n'abandi tuwa interactive abandi nabwo abana atenenete chikura cyabo bali in various institutions. You follow as a leader. Even if you say in one year tiambu ati word ya kiamu kama abanyoro muliro you will be able to get ekarotabu ati personal interest when you have no personal interest lakini ogenda kuboli ebintu byao it is difficult ebintu byao bikoru na ndo ja kuboli for the community no the problem when leaders put their interest first but they are not into the going to get liba kwenda for the interest of the community. But I've come here because I'm a leader. I've been elected by these people, and I know these are their problems. Yeah.
How is the situation ya mangana jabo chenu as a constituency yao so far? Mwenye kwatari, timetu kwatari different institutions nye tari chi dispensary.
Na atari sana ngutarande. Some of them are fair. They need just sprucing up. Yuskuru na asimeka na nemete myself outside parliament na asimeke mete asange sana because na lenge patron again ya green green conservative organization na asimeke mete unabo kibaruli kujali korongo yuskuru jiange desert ugenda orono na asimeke between 2021 and 2022 some of them are small forests. Na ndeke nyingi man asimikire mete everywhere in all my projects and I got all the projects I was running got na every site meeting it was make kero mondo to green Kenya and you know it's not expensive to plant a tree and they leave maybe maintenance for about 6 months moto yokina yeah
yo mangane wa chenu se constituency yao tego chiko kwa mochanda mono na community.
No, in the sense that we must improve from where they are. Yeah. Yes.
Do you think of getting a bigger hospital in your constituency? And maybe we may identify us, maybe Oranyari. Apart Kakaroka.
Enya gitari wano tiango tebiga. Enya gitari ya kerogeri ya gaju gali. Ya level 4.
Ya level 4.
Eli gali keroka gali. It was part of my effort. Nje na teneji enya gitari yangu wa Salamu mugai ka Nairobi. Islam Nairobi when the President Uhuru was doing those programs. Tukagenda karango kwa state lodge Kisii. I'm the one who did state lodge Kisii. Nyanjwa egali. Ngaimugie PS yane ngamote togenda ka. Ngamuira bakali keroge nyagitali eri ya stalled because it had stalled. Ngamote among as ibintu biri biko funded ganda gitonko nyeki. That's how the money came. Gajinya gitari so as a jiri galinya gitari cha kwerende I'll just need to upgrade them and expand and make sure the medicines are there. Yeah. At the moment is making sure you expand them, you provide water because water is a necessity for everywhere, especially even in hospitals. Without water, and then that's not a hospital. Make sure there is water, and then make sure the medicines are there. Yeah, maliogo akurwali abantu.
Sangi chinga ki kotigowali gwali kengeli omwiso kegima mubunge bwensemo yebunge yokuboli bobunge na mbali masaba no montoro serikali gasote serikali goterese kyamagya ODM korenga igara serikali na asaba chumba boli mbali me serikali ngati yaye wakona yamangana ya infrastructure chibara chikitogota yani kistima kwani serikali tena mwabesa gose ngaichigo sera kera karangene serikali siku ije bateba magana naria gocha bwangu kwego bateba go kama bareta magendero
bago kama
okamira letera magendero so far maybe to
ngetindanyorora so far tindanyorora because no one biria bugate the ones which are within is docket amangana NGCDF. You do better, you show people by example that you are utilizing their funds properly. Yeah. If you have not done that one, you go to a kerenge again and you go other projects. You know, to me the resources are there. Jibe sanguru yiri par. Jibe sanguru yiri sports every year. Njeranya kwa sports chia kodru as a constituency ngima. Jibe say chia tumikire. Because it's sports money. There is environment money in the NGCDF.
Tima trende maybe mo watch kubara ni karomo achire ground. Emo shimo ile hirari. Tima tinga ki oral geli kamera ya ugari arafu kurugabu nabo obokwana no menyi unyari bari masaba watabire makomalite na bantawa ya nabo bakwana kabisa arafu nabo kwanere asekanga yao yoko musabe kura munye bari masaba gusebo chole bone bo mwapichi 25
Wanyari bari masaba yangu bakwana ende biyamano sana nimaite wiki yene wiki eliende mwatwara jikambi na batalira abandi alise na nyara senta nyara na tuma makwani ane yango bakwani naende weirere mbiyamule yanda ide ko baboli ya nyomo tagito burayi oronge ujugo jaso mwako goja 2027 muligererie ochora abantu bayo bakorere gasi amangana estima amangana ijipara amangana ya mache muna amaje mumanyete asenale na arosiri jinsoko within yali bali masaba no nyatindi bunge ali makanda ali etale ikorongo na rosi kidogo ase ko nyora amaje masafi nimbwate vision ya nyali bali masaba na gitora kole to excel to kole binte bironge abantu baito banyare go konyora ogosemeria estima nimbwate data as estimatory constituency ngima itaraba connected ina mangana nda babwate kabisa ngonye veka mune program ya fast ikoro kuna rapid results initiative mwako mutangani torena gitura konya abantu baito konyola estima gara abana kera bagwira na nyomba mogoroba banyora bagosomera egara to improve education amangane para nuko make sure no onde buna inja person na inde mo manyete ama hands on person tinu jigo tigera bantu bajikurani ebintu bia constituents ebintu ebingo jigo bebuat on a very regular basis konyora reports na go check myself go check na egasi ya kodru uneta kere koba amangane skuru iganda gete to kore improvement entangani buna day schools iganda ajage program ikoro kuna school feeding program nalitura riteni abana ba day school mba yugoli lanjinka iye tali konyolekana sangina abayiboli mbabu atilanji and it's possible korosi ekwerende na jete Brazil 2010 benchmarking on how developed funds are used to ajete na bajumbe ko parliament abane by implementary in the areas bako rulanji as school ya day school egera abana aliura atwale retention ya abana bali igalia na barabuye kero ko rulanji igali school abayiboli bali bakole melia around the schools banyole faida soko ni melia bi school ebi egendo kende amangane jipara koigato jirosi egere melia abalemi banyora sibakoira obo amache to bwate mbule nyinge gotwa lakini murakero boje mitinyebere paka chinge ni chiabora iganda yetu jikoliye liase muna water pans to cross water pans abantu banyora amache bakora irrigation at least chinge ni ekero murakero oli gusi mitinyebere tatu abantu mbako umia mono kuligi chingini yale because ya maji ali na wakora irrigation ya egeticha kiao kwanyora chingini throughout so aso go conserve maji ase chipan ase gusi ase mbule go twinyingete kwa na yonsi nyanja yatigara nke eko ba konya so bulemi igali ni chombe kunywa maji mangana value addition nimba kolere egere tuanyora amagori amaronge ase bimeri byeito egendo kende ukoligie market ya mangana ito na matoke avocado tuligie market isiko tuanyora amagori amaya ase bimeri ebyino na inu ekera mu konyora mwarusirie bigari mwanyora kibesa kiri kikuba compensate aso kolega asiengia mogondo employment we go to jagere constituency abakubu bonse pi bajagere ko invest inka unless iteli inka yao egere kwanyora naye no ligeta abantu batano abantu 10 munumo umurai because employment eli konyorekana Nairobi all the time ose Mombasa employment ko ikejagere korosi kunka mangana value addition nabatebia cold rooms as a collection centers igine chigasora akari turabe tokorosia gera abantu baito bajinyole igonje nimbwate vision yengia asa abantu banyali bali masaba yango babolia ngakiye mundi gereri boronge monge chikura nje ko bakorere gas nani ko bakorere gas nenkore yemo ndabuga ati personal interest na ende nje nimbwate experience na ende na itire bote tiniko jugoligi besa nguju kweligeria nguju bakorere gas una abantu bali banjolire na ende njusie mangana CDF ebe properly managed na mangana application of loans ejijia basari yango jikora online muna na bate last time online kurwe every town to duara online yagara to reduce expenses chia bayiboli go travel bojigoligi form masimba ejinde kiasira ejinde banyora baliko nyora babisa baraba bali abayenenu bagora manona abantu bagire goligi form ejo igo mbwadesi chikura nje ko bakorere gasi endonge nje ninde tayari biya mono sana abantu banyali bali masaba
Mbuya mono engineer Hilary Nyanga sogo ikamie studio korenganga wasabire kuro yao no momenyo nyari bali masaba korenga bakichikora ikabonega ikirange chiri buwe merongene na batano mwega 46000 voters dimeti sina that's the total number ya nyari bali
no they are 40
last time I get 42
maybe around they are approaching 50 actually.
They are approaching 50
yeah
kenge amanton comment kanabari karenganga bakoigure naende bachi konyara gusira nene karu chikoliye wera yesentune ya kabire twagotakira maya ase ganga yayo kuriye wechumbe nseseme yo nabo igokirari chingaki igoro welcome digo chimigite seni Yen Soko TV
mbia mono sana ku host na gokire sana yeah
mbia mono kibisanya sago sisi mwanchu mwelia cha tuko kideka emeronge 3 igoro yechite chinsenya chia bono botuke chumapiri yega tuko chikokora beno so murubiri yega to batamangana maya kura twatwarire nkwana na engineer Hilary Nyanga kwa igura maroraye anene hase maya aje to chikobakora amenyi bensemo yebungi nyari bali masawa ime county ya Kisii echikobekana kwene kinga anene habana kunyora bare amasomo ari hayekerengo okay igoro kemugima habuno ngo ikiro mwelio obotkwalere nkwana anere Hilary Nyanga nabo yekero kwanya tamangana maya oje gonkonya asense muye bimenyero ritari onde gutatiga nsaro makirbo na mega yemenyonjo nigotoma bwate Barnabas Ondari ibone kinga chibi chama na mayo gibunaya ngo ikirare senchera ere yobo ene guikara nkino rituko twara obutuko bosenirie bye bye.